trampoline making in action. Ooh, very nice. Yo, what's up? So my sayang just finished work and we decided we're gonna make a vlog today together in Sanur, because Sanur is the best place in Bali. No, it's any place is good, but Sanur is very nice.
So I just finished working today and then I feel like I'm still on holiday mood because we were last time in the West Bali National Park. So we decided to have a dinner by the beach today, and then I miss Sanur already, even we just away for Nyepi holiday.
Yeah. So we will see how it's like in Sanur today. Always nice in Sanur.
Okay, so this is how Sanur in the afternoon. Oh, that's kid learning to surf. Nice. So now we will walk, going to the restaurant where we used to go.
It's bound to glory, this train.
So we pass the live music. It's quite busy today in Sanur. Very nice. Oh, there is a beer promo. So now we will head to La Playa. Maybe we can have a bintang there or food. Let's see. Sanur is hi. Let's go. Very nice. So this is how Sanur life. Always family friendly. Now let's have a bintang. Probably we will have a dinner here. So this is La Playa restaurant.
Hello. So this is how it looks like in Sanur. People chilling around. This is the Hyatt Pizzeria restaurant. This belongs to the Hyatt Regency in Sanur. Very peaceful life in Sanur today. Yes, sayang?
Yeah, very nice. So here is Hyatt. Very nice. The vibe, and yeah, as people really enjoyed the beautiful of the beach in the afternoon. And luckily that we cannot see the Mount Agung today because you know the clouds covering the mountain.
So this is the swimming pool and gardens of the Hyatt. And we are heading now into the also area of Hyatt, but it's actually different hotel name. This is the new place. What's the name of the hotel sign?
Andas Bali.
Andas Bali. So we will see.
So yeah, this is how it is. Hyatt. Always cool vibe, always very, you know, the vibe in Sanur is very calm, and this is why we decided to go to Sanur, because we were I was busy on the office today, and then yeah, so this is really good to chill after having a very busy weekday. Very nice. They have a small swing also here. Very nice.
So this is the new part of the hotel. It's called Andas, right?
Alright, so this is what I told you, the new hotel that still belongs to the same company, I think, with Hyatt, Regency. So this is a brand new hotel called Andas Bali, and then I think that will be open in April because I saw that in the announcement in Instagram. Yeah, and then also the website, they just will open it in April. So very nice. You know, long time ago that this place is just covered with the what is it, like this one. But now they finally open and they have a nice restaurant. Maybe in April we can have a lunch or dinner here and see how it is. And look at the swimming pool. Actually, the swimming pool also have the same style like Hyatt.
Yeah, and this is in the next.
And then it is said that this is just like what is it called? This is just like luxurious villas in Sanur area.
Yeah, and you can see they preparing the sunbeds and everything. So opening is very soon. All right, so we show you how it looks, the new hotel in Sanur, just next to the Hyatt. And also we have to tell you something today, the announcement, very important thing. Finally, eventually we decide to change little bit our name of the channel. From Mr. and Mrs. Monkeys gonna be the Monkeys. I hope so. You like the new names?
Yeah, so we decided to change Mr. and Mrs. Monkeys into the Monkeys because we feel like some people really hard to find out how to type Mr. and Mrs. Monkeys with an or with other symbols or something. So yeah,
it's just the name is just too long and too many characters, and actually supposed to be the best names is like 1 or 2 words in total.
Yeah.
So the Monkeys will be just much easier to everyone to remember the name and type the name. So I think that will be the change for better, and especially until we still have a quite small number of subscribers, it's still better to change it now than later when we have, for example, 5 million.
Yeah, because I think that the name of the Monkeys will be so eye-catchy and easy, you know, to find it out later on.
And we decide as we will change the name starting from tomorrow. So another vlog, whenever you're gonna get notification on your phone, it will be the Monkeys instead the Mr. and Mrs. Monkeys. But this is, we are the same staying, nothing changed. Mr. and Mrs. Monkeys, just the new name, the Monkeys. So as you can see, this is the area of Maya Sanur. So many people around, chilling and enjoying, eating peanuts. Very nice, peaceful life. So many bikes over here, by the way. And here you can buy some food. Very nice. Here always some people chilling around, and this golden retriever is always over here. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Very cool vibes in Sanur, as always, as always. And here is the group of the folks riding around.
Mbak, itu sweet sour fish-nya 2 ya? Sweet sour aja 2 ya? Kalau saya tambahin chop chili. Chop chili di kita apa campur?
So we have our Binchang's honey cheers in La Playa. We're gonna have a dinner here. Beautiful vibe, as you can see.
Alright, our food is here. So we order a sweet sour fish. For me, extra chili. Smacznego.
Smacznego, honey. Alright, after our dinner we decided we're gonna visit the night market Sindu in Sanur because sayang gonna have a pisang goreng or trambulan, so which is the very good place in Sanur to have it. Yes, honey?
Yeah, so we decided to have a dessert here in a Sindu market at night.
And I will show you around how it looks the situation here. So this is the Sindu market at night. That's how it looks the situation. I hope so the quality of the video is good enough. So many sellers around. Actually, so many people eating and enjoying themselves. This is our favorite seller. He have pisang gorengs and stuff like this. Check this out. You know, so beautiful food over here. Honey, what are you buying?
Pisang goreng.
Pisang goreng? So nice.
Makasih Bapak. Ibu mana Pak? Pisang goreng. Love it.
Okay. So we have already pisang goreng. What you wanna have more, sayang?
I think that I want to buy trambulan also.
Okay, trambulan. Here is the satay seller. We had last time the satay over here. Check this out. This is the fruit seller, and this is the trambulan seller. Trambulan. And that's how it looks, the situation in the Sindu night market. Many of you are familiar with the area, so you know how looks normally the place over here. So for someone who never been here, I just want to tell you, as it's now about 7 o'clock p.m. and usually so many people around. I mean, really, literally so many people. It's actually quite busy, but unfortunately, nothing has changed through the past hour visits here. Except that as we are buying trambulan today. So check this out.
Honey, what flavor do you want to have?
Chocolate.
They have a banana Nutella also.
Oh, yang Nutella lagi kosong.
Oh, Nutella kosong. You want to have pisang coklat?
Pisang chocolate, whatever. You choose whatever you like, say.
Coklat susu deh. See how he made it.
And check this out. The guy making beautiful trambulans over here. Very nice indeed. So while waiting for the trambulan, Winnie already eating her pisang goreng.
Pisang goreng.
So nice, yeah?
Look
Very
how
nice.
he made the trambulan.
So he's making trambulan for someone. That's our trambulan, no? Someone's trambulan. So one more time, very slowly, I'm gonna show you how it looks situation in the Sindu night market today. Basically like this. What should I say? Trambulan making in action. Very nice. The Lapan Blos.
Alright, so I already got my trambulan and I got my pisang goreng. So I think that's all our video today, guys, from Sanur, our daily life in Sanur, having a dinner by the beach and then buying a dessert in night market. Thank you for watching.
And see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.